What's going on, guys? I'm going to show you all how to do some stuff on a truck today. Gotta find my knife. I bought this air hose. I'm going to check the air pressure on my tires and show you guys how to air up these tires while you're out on the road and you got no one to help you to do it. Not out of love, so so on one end here, you see I got a glad hand connector for the airline. On the other end, I got the connection to fill the tires up. We're gonna climb up here. Got it on there. What we're gonna do is climb back down off of here real careful. We're gonna go get in the truck, turn the air on. The way you do this is you release the trailer brake. I don't have a trailer, so that'll supply air to that red airline. Come back here. You can hear it's got a leak. As you can see, that first check is almost 100. It's like right under 100. I like it to be at 110. So we're at 100. So that's how you air up a tire out here on the road. But yeah, I'm gonna get all the others aired up and get on to the next thing. So I'm in the left lane because the left lane exits in about a half a mile, and this guy cuts in front of me and flips me off for no reason at all, other than just being a jerk. And this is the type of junk that we deal with, especially around where I'm at right now is Chicago. Terrible area. It really gets old, some of these drivers. So this is what it's like going across a scale. If you have no experience with going over scales as a semi-truck, if you get a red light on your pre-pass, or if it's open and you don't have a pre-pass, you have to pull into the scale. If there was a truck on the scale, I would stop before I get to the scale. Never pull onto the scale with another vehicle. But here's the thing. All you got to do is make sure you go slow, about 2 to 3 miles an hour when you pull up onto the scale so you don't damage their scale. You pull up to where they tell you to, you stop when they tell you to. When you get the green light or they come on the speaker and tell you to go, you go. There's really nothing to it. Just listen to them, do what they say. Most of the time you're not going to have any issues. Now here you can see I'm pulling into this Love's, and I'm going to find me a parking spot right here. And there's tons of room here at this Love's, so I got room to pull up into other parking spots and kind of maneuver how I want. You know, there's definitely a lot harder parking spots to get into. This is one of the easier ones. Well, this is a huge no-no. You cannot drop a hazmat load at a truck stop and the tractor not be present with it, with the paperwork and the person who's supposed to be watching the load. Huge no-no. Don't do it, guys.